Hello, welcome to another video. So for today I'll be teaching you guys how to build the content idea generator app. Before I do get into the tutorial, if you do want to download a Notion and PDF version of this tutorial, I link that down below in the description box. I will be getting straight into the tutorial, so if you're not yet familiar with the platform I use in building AI-powered apps, which is Airops, I linked down one of their introduction videos for you to watch if you'd like to get to know more about the platform before watching this tutorial. So yeah, let's get right into the tutorial. So for this one, I'll be starting from scratch, so let's get a blank workflow. Let's name this content idea generator app. Now for this one, I'll be taking I think about 5 inputs from the user. So the first one I'd want to get as input is the brand name. So as required, save. Next, I would want to get to know the brand's industry or niche. After this, I'm gonna set this as long text just in case the user of this app or the brand would give a really long description, but I'd want to get to know more about their offering, or like what they're offering. Is it a product, service? What kind of product or service is it? Set as required, save field. Next, I'm also gonna set this as long text. I'm gonna be getting a description of their target audience. So this is just so that the content ideas that the app generates caters to the target audience description. Save that. Lastly, I'd like to get some keywords or topics that are related to the brand. Required, save field. And this is actually going to be pretty simple. We'll just be adding an LLM step. So let's configure this. You are an expert marketing and content strategist. Please generate 10 content ideas for the brand name, period. So this is just a quick prompt that I made off the top of my head. I wouldn't say this is the most effective prompt, and I'm sure that this prompt can still be improved. But for now, this is what I put. You are an expert marketing and content strategist. Please generate 10 content ideas for the brand, and then we click on the input variable that we set a while ago, which is brand name. And then we said brand name is a brand in the industry. This refers to the industry that the user placed in the beginning. Offering, this one, the offering that the user puts. Please make sure that the content ideas are aligned with the brand and caters to their target audience. And then we follow that up with the target audience description. Don't forget to include the keywords or topics when generating the content ideas. So yeah, that's pretty much it. For this one, if you're on the free plan, this is all you can use, really, the GPT 3.5. But if you're in a paid plan, you can access Claude through Airops also. So yeah, okay, let's save that. Let's save those changes. Save draft. Let's just change this to brain. Save draft, and then let's test out our app. This is really helpful. So they have this button to where the AI generates test values, so that I don't have to think about what test value to put. So let's use that. Okay. Execute. Okay. Great. Now that that's done, let's publish that. And then when we exit, you can actually see how it looks. This is how it's gonna look in the workspace. So all the inputs go over here, and then the output that we saw a while ago will also appear here. Yeah, so that's pretty much how you build the content idea generator app. It's really one of the basic workflows you can build on Airops, and there are definitely more complex ones that you can build on Airops, which I'm still trying to explore as well. So yeah, again, if you do want a downloadable reference that you can go back to whenever you want, I did link down a Notion and PDF version of this tutorial in the description box. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how you build it. It's a quick tutorial, for sure. I'll try to do more complex ones in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a fun time building.